Hey friends, on today's adventure, we're going on the Ski Mountain Coaster at Ober Gatlinburg. I stuck the GoPro on this and wanted to give you a feel for what this is like to help you decide if this is something you want to do if you come up to Ober Gatlinburg. So this you can either buy for $16 for adults, I think $12 for kids at the time of this recording, or you can get a wristband and get a ride out of your wristband. Now this, you must be 9 years old or 52 inches to ride alone. And it has a combined weight limit of 300 pounds. So it has 2 seats. You can either ride by yourself, or if you've got a little one, you can ride with them. The total ride time is about 5.5 minutes, but again, you have a break so you can go as slow or as fast as you want to. It is rated to go up to 25 miles an hour. You can also go as slow as you want, which I purposely go slow at times in this video and slow the footage down to just give you a better feel of the scenery and how the track is. So overall, pretty smooth ride, and we enjoyed it. So if you have any questions about this ride, please drop that down in the comments. We'll do our best to answer. Hope you enjoy this ride.